Hello friends, let us see how to make Goan style prawns curry with hog plum or Sungta Hooman with Ambade. Here I have 5 hog plums and half medium sized onion. First, peel the hog plums. Finally chop the onion. To make the curry, I have used half cup grated coconut. Add grated coconut to a mixer jar. Here are the spices used for making the prawns curry. Add the spices to the mixer jar. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 3/4 cup water. Grind to make smooth gravy. Heat a kadai and add half cup water. Add peeled hog plum and chopped onion. Boil till hog plums change color. Add marinated prawns. Please see the description to know how to marinate prawns. Stir nicely. Add little gravy from the mixer. Stir well. Pour the gravy from the mixer jar into the kadai and mix well. Simmer till it starts bubbling. Add salt to taste and mix well. Goan style prawns curry with hog plums is ready. Serve it with rice, fried fish, kismur and sol curry. If you like the recipe, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.